Namaskar everyone, we're the Bhatt family.
हेमंत,
Richa,
Anika,
Vivan.
and Joey. आप सबको हरेले की बहुत बधाई.
Happy
Harela!
Harela is a Hindu festival celebrated in the Kumaon region of Uttarakhand state of India and some regions of Himachal Pradesh. It is celebrated thrice every year. The first two celebrations are during both the periods of Navratri. First during Chaitra Navratri in the month of Chaitra and second during Sharad Navratri in the month of Ashwin. It is also a symbol for the onset of the rainy season, monsoon, as Harela literally means day of green.
जी रया जागी रया फल रया फुली रया जी रया जागी रया फल रया फुली रया
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अदिति सिन्हा है और हम इंडिया में झारखंड बिहार के रहने वाले हैं। वहाँ पे वट सावित्री नाम का ये त्यौहार मनाया जाता है जिसमें सुहागिनें अपने पति की लंबी उम्र की कामना करती हैं और बरगद के पेड़ की पूजा करती हैं। थैंक यू।
ओं भद्रकाल्यै नमो नित्यं सरस्वत्यै नमो नमः वेद वेदान्तो वेदान्तस्थानेभ्यो च ओं सचन्दन पुष्प बिल्वपत्राञ्जलि ओं सरस्वत्यै नमः। जय जय देवी चराचर सारे कुचजुग शोभित मुक्ताहारे वीणा रंजित पुस्तक हस्ते भगवती भारती देवी नमस्ते। ओं सरस्वती महाभागे विद्ये कमललोचने विश्वरूपे विशालाक्षी विद्यां देहि नमस्ते। ओं सरस्वती माता की जय।
महा
महाशिवरात्रि आई, सुखों की रात्रि आई, महाशिवरात्रि आई, सुखों की रात्रि आई, मगन मन डोले रे, कहो बम भोले रे।
मैं अभिषेक कुमार, मेरी धर्मपत्नी निधि सिंह, बेटी आन्या सिंह एंड पुत्र कियान सिंह बिहार से बिलोंग करते हैं। यहाँ बिहार का महापर्व छठ का सेलिब्रेशन यहाँ अमेरिका में हम लोग बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाते हैं। इसमें हम लोग भगवान सूर्य की उपासना करते हैं।
केलवा के पात पर उगेलन सूरज मल झाके झुके, केलवा के पात पर उगेलन सूरज मल झाके झुके, हे करेलू छठ बरतिया से झाके झुके, हे करेलू छठ बरतिया से झाके झुके।
Namaste. Janmashtami, the birth of Lord Krishna, is celebrated with great devotion and enthusiasm in the month of July or August in India.
On Janmashtami, a lot of devotees of Lord Krishna observe a fast for the whole day and night, worship him and sing devotional songs and chant the mantras. At midnight, the statue of infant Krishna is bathed and placed in a cradle which is rocked amidst the blowing of conch shells and the ringing of bells.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Hariyali Teej is celebrated on the third day of the Indian lunar month of Shravana, which falls during monsoon season. It is called Hariyali Teej because the monsoon rains make all the surroundings green. Teej celebrates the marriage of Lord Shivji and Goddess Parvati. Women fast and pray for the long lives of their husbands. They receive sarge from their in-laws. Their sarge consists of gifts such as clothes, makeup, and bangles. In return, they send sweets and money as baina. Women and girls sit on swings, dance, sing, and apply mehndi to celebrate, as Teej is a festival of joy.
Namaskar, I am Jayant Mahure.
Namaskar, I am Sushma Maure. Today we are representing Maharashtra's Marathi festival, Gudi Padwa.
Gudi Padwa is a celebration of the first day of the Chaitra month to mark the beginning of the Hindu New Year. Thank you and happy Gudi Padwa.
Happy Gudi Padwa.
Bindilata.
Hello, this is Raj.
We are representing Batkama festival today. Batkama means Mother Goddess come alive, and the festival represents the cultural spirit of Telangana, symbolizing the patron goddess of womanhood. Batkama is a beautiful flower stack arranged with different unique seasonal flowers. This is the festival of flowers celebrated 2 days before Dasara. Happy Batkama!
Hello everybody, Durga Puja is one of the famous festivals in Bengal. It is celebrated in a very large scale. It is one of the best joyous occasion. Here in Kansas City, we do celebrate Durga Puja. Ma Durga ki Jai Ho. Every year we celebrate Durga Puja so that our next generation, our kids will know this is one of the famous festivals and they enjoy participating in different activities. We have lots of dances and we have lots of skits and we have lots of music and of course Bengalis are known very much for their famous food, rasagullas as the dessert, and come and enjoy this festival with us in Kansas City.
Hello, today is Diwali, the festival of light, and I am Ayush Tiwari. This is my younger brother Rayan. Hey guys, Savage here. Welcome back to another video. And then this is my youngest brother Siddhant. This is my mom Sudha, and this is my dad recording Arvind. Okay.
दिन कर वेदाया आज दा दिहाड़ा सखियो सुच शगना जाया आज दा दिहाड़ा सखियो सुच शगना दा जाया
संक्रांति शुभाकांक्षलु। हैप्पी संक्रांति।
Holika Dahan. Long ago, the demon king Hiranyakashyap ordered his sister Holika to kill his son Prahlad as he denied to accept the worship of his father, the king. Holika was blessed by a boon that made her immune to fire. So she decided to enter a blazing fire with Prahlad on her lap. Prahlad kept chanting the name of Lord Vishnu, and as a result, Prahlad came out of the fire unharmed while Holika lost her life. From that day onwards, we celebrate this day to worship God and offer him our devil side to be burnt into ashes, like it happened with Holika. This festival is celebrated a day before the festival of colors, Holi.
The festival of Navratri, or 9 nights, symbolizes the victory of good over evil. Garba and Danya Ras are Gujarati folk dances celebrated during this time. Happy Navratri!
सीताराम के कहानी अति प्यारी लागे मीठी रस से भरी रामायण लागे। सीताराम की कहानी अति प्यारी लागे मीठी रस से भरी रामायण लागे। सीताराम के कहानी अति प्यारी लागे मीठी रस से भरी रामायण लागे। सीताराम की कहानी अति प्यारी लागे मीठी रस से भरी रामायण लागे।
सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, दोन दिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को। हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को। जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव। भाव भगति से कोई शरणागत आवे, संतति संपत्ति सब ही भरपूर।
Hi, I'm Jagdish Subramanian from the Board of Trustees IAKC.
And I'm Soumya, Program Chair for IAKC. And this is our little one, Mishika. We're going to be celebrating Pongal today. And we're dressed in the traditional attire. He's wearing a veshti. I'm wearing a pin kosago podava. It's a little different from the regular podava. And she is wearing a pattupavade.
And Pongal is the harvesting festival in south of India, mostly Tamil Nadu. Pongalo Pongal.
Pongalo Pongal.
Pongalo Pongal. And this is Chakra Pongal and Ven Pongal, which is a sweet Pongal and savory Pongal. Ellorukkum iniya Pongal nalvaalthukal.
Happy Pongal!
We are representing the festival of Christmas in this video. Christmas is an annual festival commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, observed primarily on December 25th as a religious and cultural celebration. My name is Irene with my sister Isha and my dad Emmanuel. My mom Roslyn is shooting the video.
नमस्ते, मैं अंजना सिंह,
मैं नितेश मालविया,
मैं प्रतिन मालविया
और ये हमारा
मैथ्स।
Happy Bihu everyone!
We are from Madhya Pradesh state, but today we are celebrating Bihu, the festival of joy and happiness that is celebrated in eastern state Assam. There are three types of Bihu. Most auspicious one is Maghar Domani or Magh Bihu that is observed in the month of January. Bihu marks the end of harvesting and is dedicated to the Hindu lord of fire, Agni. Most important ritual is doing bonfire for the night, dancing to the tunes of folk songs, and eating delicacies made of rice like bor pitha that I tried to make today. Happy Bihu from all of us.